my mind on second best, or the scars that come with the greenness. And I give my eyes to boredom, still the sea that wouldn't let me in. And I trap my best to embrace the darkness in which I swim. And I'm walking back down this mountain with the strength of a turning tide. Oh, the wind so soft on my skin, yeah, the sun is so hard upon my side. And looking out for this happiness, I search for between the sheets, and I'm feeling blind. Realize that all I was